or we're so smart. We don't want to do this. We don't want to waste our time. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can close your tabs on your Google Chrome on Android. So if you're watching this video, then you must not be very explorative. You might not be the type of person that I am who likes to tinker with their phones. But in the end, that tinkering also leads me to have my phone destroyed. Like for example, one time I once used my mom's phone and pretended to try and mold it into a clay, which turned out to pull the screen outside of the phone and got it destroyed. In the end, my mom lost a phone. Okay, so let's say we're here now on Google Chrome and up at my yapping, and if you try to click on X here on the top right side of each of these tabs, it will close them, but we're too lazy. Or we're so smart. We don't want to do this. We don't want to waste our time. We're very meticulous with our time. What you can do is, okay, let me just remove the chat from my mom. I was just mentioning my mom a while ago, and then suddenly she just pops out of nowhere. Okay, so what do you do exactly is you click on the three buttons on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen, and then you just, okay, another notification. Get the heck out of my screen. You just need to click on close all tabs. So as you can see, you can find your closed tabs and recent tabs under the Chrome menu. Now, if you click on close all tabs, what happens now is that boom, everything is gone, bro. I don't know what happened. No, we both know. So all the tabs are gone, and that is what you came here for. But if you click on undo on the top, on the bottom right of your screen, it will actually bring back the tabs again. But I want to remove all of that. So as you can see, there it is. It's gone. And what is said earlier is that you can find it in your recent tabs and you can just restore them. But you can also add another tab by clicking on the top left corner of your screen and going to new tab. That's it. That is how you can close all tabs on your Android phone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.